my name is Amaris. If you're returning, I love you. Today I'm coming to you guys with a hair tutorial. The hair is from Elfin Hair and it's 22 inches raw Burmese hair. I'm on holiday right now and I feel like this is a perfect hairstyle for your holiday. I'm going to show you guys how it was installed and how I get these beautiful curls and the products I use to achieve it. But yeah, it's gorgeous. Ugh, I'm so in love with it. Okay, so guys, make sure you continue watching and also comment down below what hairstyle you want me to do next. I love you guys.
I can smoke no empty so hard in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty fading, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's so rush?
Okay guys, we finished the back part. So good. So now she needs to straighten my hair and do the slick part. It looks good already.
She said, take your time, what's so rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a money. No crib for a come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause I'm trying to break it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. But I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a man.
Only because you ain't here. Promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging.
gotta be smart about it. Son of what? Yeah, with the guys, I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you, and you are my girl. You see,
It looks so nice. Yeah. Wow. So hi guys, as you can see, my hair looks so good. I love it. I'm just gonna brush it and add water and some curl products to it. I haven't done that yet, so I really love the curls and how bushy it is. I'm just gonna brush it out and do it section by section because I think that might give me the best results. Normally I would use a diffuser, but I didn't bring the diffuser head on my trip to put on the blow dryer, which is fine. I don't necessarily need it. I'm just gonna like brush it bit by bit, spray some water on it. But the hair looks so good, like Elfin Hair, you did your thing with this one. The curls are too nice. Oh, I feel Puerto Rican. Bitty bitty bum bum. Bitty bitty bum bum. I don't know if you guys have seen that one. That's how it feels. This hair looks too good.
And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game we know. People can play. For tonight I'm yours, so deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors, cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong.
So this hair is raw Burmese curly hair. I love it so much. So I got 3 bundles of 22 inches of raw Burmese hair from Elfin Hair, and I love it. It's so nice and curly. Look, this is the perfect holiday hair. So when it starts to get a bit bigger because of the humidity, it's gonna look so cute. But I love it. Like, I don't really like wearing wigs on holiday, so this is a perfect option for me as it's low maintenance. All I just do is wet the curls, put some product in it if I need to, and keep it moving. I love that for me. So guys, make sure you check out Elfin Hair. Everything will be in the description down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I love you guys. Bye.